Hello everyone. Today we start the practical number 7 and the title of this practical number 7 is Design Test Case for Control and Decision Making Statement. So in this practical number 7 for control and decision making in a testing we find out the bugs, okay, in a coding. The path is a sequence of the branches, that is the decisions, and the condition, that is the logical predicates. A path corresponding to test case or the set of the inputs. Here is the most important part is the code coverage. So the code coverage is a measure which describes the degree of which the source code of the program has been tested. Okay, so here there is it is one of the form of the white box testing, and which finds the areas of the program not exercised by set of the test cases. It only finds the areas of the program, and this practical helps you to provide the capability to detect the logical flow of the execution and design the test cases to check the control and the decision making statement. So by using the test cases we check the control and decision making. We check the control statement. By using the control and decision making statement we check our program, it is right or wrong. Okay, so the flow of the execution, we check the execution flow of the program. So here is the test cases, that is here is the test cases for generate the test cases to check the program written for the even and odd numbers. Okay, so in this practical there is we require the control structures testing, and the control structure testing is a group of the white box testing methods, and it consists of the branch testing, second is the data flow testing, and third one is the loop testing. So the branch testing is called as a decision testing. For every decision each branch needs to be executed at least once. So obvious decision statements are if, comma, for, while, switch. These are the decision statements, and multiple condition statement is nothing but that all the true and false combinations of the simple condition be exercised at least once. Okay, so here we check the true and false condition. So therefore all the statements and the branches and the conditions are necessary to be covered in this practical. So here is the testing parameters, that is the test case ID, test case name, prerequisite, which is the prerequisite which is the required to execute, which is the required parameter to execution the our practical. Okay, this is a step, input data, executed expected result and the actual result, and this one is the result. So the first is the test case number 1, to input the integer numbers. Here we require the input the integer numbers. Then prerequisite, which is the prerequisite the program should be executed. Okay, the step is the enter the valid integer number. Here we only put the integer number, not the floating number. So here only required the integer number. The step is the enter the valid integer number. Okay, input data is 4. The expected result, which is the expected result, the number should be accepted. Okay, so the actual result is number is accepted, then the test case is passed. Then test case number 2, the name of this second test case is the condition check if. Here we the if statement, by using this condition we check this number is odd or even. Okay, so here the prerequisite is number should be accepted. Then the step is the, here is the condition we put, that is if the number mod 2 is equal to 0, then this number is the even, otherwise this number is odd. Okay, so the input data is 4. Here the expected result is it should display the message number is even number. The actual result is we get the actual result, that is number is the even number. Then we check the expected result is equal to actual result. if the match expected result is equal to actual result, then result is pass. That is status of our test case is pass. Then third test case and is the name of the third test case is to input the float numbers. Program prerequisite is program should be executed. The step is enter the floating number. Here we only enter the floating number, not the integer number. Okay, so input data is 2.5. Then expected result is it should display the error message. If we enter the floating point number, the result is which result is expected, it should display the error message. If it display the error message, then the test case is pass, otherwise the test case is fail. So here the actual result is it display the error message, then the result is pass. Okay, so the second program, that is by using this program we check also condition statement. Okay, so here the program is execute above test cases in question 1 by entering the following inputs and verify the result input. That is 4, 7, 2.5 and 8.1. Here is the test cases parameters, that is ID, name, prerequisite, steps, input data, expected result and the actual result, and the status, that is the result. Then first test case is condition check. If the prerequisite is number should be accepted. Here we put the condition, that is number is mod 2 is equal to 0. Then input data 4. It should display the message number is even. Number is even number and the status is pass. Here test case number second, that is condition check. The test case name is condition check. If condition check, here we check the if condition. Okay, then prerequisite is number should be accepted. Step is here we put the same condition, that is if number mod 2 is equal to 0. If we enter the input data 7, then it should expected result, which is the expected result, it should display the message number is odd number. If it display the odd number, then the status is pass, otherwise it is fail. Then test case number third, that is the third test case name is the to input the floating point number. Here we input the floating point number, that is 2.5. Expected result is it should display the error message. The actual result, if it displays the error message, then the status is pass. Then the test case number 4 is the 8.1. Here the same as the here expected result is it should display the error message. Then actual result is we check the actual result. If the actual result match the expected result, then status is pass. Here is the actual result is display the error message, then status is pass. Okay, if any doubt in this, please contact me. Thank you.